Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel and thanks for tuning in to my brand new video. So I'm starting this vlog really late and it's currently 7:50 at night and I'm really bored. Like, I don't know what to do. I've been sitting for the past 2-3 hours now. Today I'm supposed to be making a video with my cousin, but she said that they're not gonna be home because they're gonna be going to their family friend's house, so pretty much canceled it. And maybe tomorrow we'll shoot the video depending on what she's doing tomorrow. But today I just pretty much went to the gym, took a shower, ate dinner, and sat there for like the past 2-3 hours. Just like watching YouTube videos, Instagram and all that. So right now I'm pretty much just trying to figure out what to do. So yeah, I got this GoPro that I bought about a year and a half ago, and it's the GoPro Hero 4 Silver Edition. So lately I've been like really interested in GoPro videos and like making night lapse videos. Like, I'm really interested in making night lapse videos, and I want to try doing it. I want to try making night lapse videos while driving. So that's what I'm really interested right now, and it's gonna be my first time doing it. So let's see how it goes. Hopefully it turns out really well, and I'm hoping to get like the light streak like that. So hopefully I get that effect. If I don't get that type of effect while I'm driving, that means that I'm gonna have to play around with the setting, and that means I have to shoot that in the next video that I'm gonna do. But today I'm just gonna shoot with just the default settings. For me to be able to take the night lapse video, I have to be in the multi-shot setting, and I have to be in the night lapse mode. So shutter in auto, interval continuous, megapixels 12 MP per wide. I got the spot meter off, and I just turned on the Pro Tune and got the white balance on 3000K. Color, GoPro color. I got the ISO minimum to 100 and the ISO maximum to 800. I got the sharpness in medium. Got the sharpness in medium and no EV compensation, and that's it. So that's the setting that I'll be using to do this night lapse video while I'm driving. So hopefully it turns out well, and hopefully I get that light streak that I've been wanting. But anyways, I gotta go get changed. I'm wearing my bed clothes right now, so yeah, it'll be quick. Told you guys I'll be quick. So time to head out. Alright guys, so I got the GoPro all mounted, and it's just on the passenger side. So it's just right there. So it's all set up, and as much as I want to put the GoPro outside, I don't want to risk it. I don't want to risk losing my GoPro, so I'm just gonna put it inside the car. I'm planning on buying another suction cup and a tether, so when I do decide to put the GoPro outside while I'm driving, I have something to secure the GoPro, and it's just for safety reasons too. Anyways, for me to be able to have a long enough video, I have to be driving for about 20 to 30 minutes, so it'll be a good long drive. I love cruising, so not a problem. I got everything all set up. It's just time for me to go and drive around, so let's get into it. Alright guys, so I just got home and actually drove for about an hour or maybe even longer, just looking at how many pictures it took while I was driving, and it took 3100 pictures. So this is probably gonna be a very long night lapse video, but of course I'm gonna be editing it. Hopefully it turns out good. Hopefully I get the effect that I really want. But yeah, you guys will see it next clip. so it did make some light streaks, but it wasn't long enough. I was expecting more something like this. Like, look at that, that's a really nice light streak. Like, it looks like you're trying to break the speed of the sound. Yeah, trying to break the speed of the sound. Also this one, like, that's a really nice light streak. Like, you look like you're going like 200 miles an hour. Like, that's the effect that I really want. So the next time I do the night lapse again while I'm driving, I'm gonna have to change the setting, and hopefully I get it. But if not, I gotta keep trying, and hopefully to get the effect that I really want. Hope you guys like this video, and if you guys do, make sure you hit the like button down below. I got more videos coming up, so if you guys wanna tune in to my videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below too. And also follow me on my Instagram. My Instagram is at CharlesDJ Ibanez. I'll put the link down on the description box, and also you guys can follow me on my Twitter and Snapchat. But anyways guys, I hope you guys have a great day. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.